Hello friends, my name is Kapil Goyal, and in this tutorial I will teach you three things in for retrieving data in Laravel. First is where condition, second is limit, and third is order by. Now we already included our controller in the root file. Now first we will define our root here. Root get and find, now comma blog controller comma colon class comma, and here you have to define your function name. Now our function name is find func. Now save this. Now we will use this function in our controller. Copy this from here and go to your controller. Now here we will write our function code. Now copy this model and paste. First we will create a variable results is equal to, and we will use this model here. Now we will write where condition. Now if I want to fetch only one record from this table, now I want to fetch only where id is equal to 3. I want to fetch this first record which contains id equal to 3. Now where id comma, and here we have to give the id. Now we will use for each loop for print our data. Results, and here you have to write result. Now here write echo result title. Now if I save this and copy this URL from here and go to browser and refresh the page, here you can see nothing, because we have to use get method here. Get, and if I save this, now it will show the data. Now we will use limit here. Now how can we put the limit? Now we will use take here in the replacement of limit. Laravel has its own function for limit. Now I want to fetch only one record here. Now save this, and if I refresh this, now you can see only one record. Now I want to fetch both record here. Now take 2. Now if I refresh this, now you can see 2 records here. Now the next one is order by. Now I want to fetch all the record order by all, and I want to fetch all the records. Now order by id comma, we have to define ascending or descending here. Now I want to fetch the record in the descending order. Now if I refresh this, now it is showing a error. order Y does not exist. Take 2 and refresh it. Now you can see, now we have to use also get method here. Now you can see Java is now if I want to post it in the ascending order, now we will use ASC, or you can remove this one. You have to use get method with the where, take and order Y. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.